Pioneer TS-A3000LB 12-inch subwoofer review. Deep bass that shakes your ride. Ever feel frustrated with weak, muddy bass that kills the vibe in your car? Struggling with clunky, oversized subwoofers that barely fit your space? Or wasting hours tuning systems that still don't deliver punch? It's exhausting when your music lacks impact and clarity, leaving you stuck in a shallow, flat-sounding world instead of feeling the bass you crave. The pain only gets worse. Missed beats, uneven sound, rattling panels, and the envy of others' booming systems. Every drive feels like a compromise, and every track loses its energy. You want authority and power in your music, but your space is limited. It's not just annoying. It's a missed chance to enjoy your car's full audio potential. Enter the Pioneer A-Series TS-A3000LB 12-inch subwoofer, designed to deliver 1500-watt max power and chest-thumping bass in tight spaces. Its shallow-mount sealed enclosure fits pickup trucks, compact cars, or custom setups without compromise. The Glass-Fiber Mica reinforced IMPP cone and 3D honeycomb Santoprene surround provide rigidity and deep excursion, delivering crisp, powerful lows without distortion. The 2-ohm single-voice coil ensures simple wiring and reliable power handling. One enthusiast shared, during a weekend SPL meet, this subwoofer handled 1,000 watt cleanly, moving air like a beast yet remaining tight and musical. Its compact design lets you install it vertically, facing up or down, with stability pads included. From hip-hop beats to electronic drops, the TS-A3000LB transforms your music experience, giving authority, clarity, and a visceral feel at bass that fits anywhere, leaving your system sounding like a professional setup without stealing space. The benefits? Extreme power, clean response, and flexible installation. Industry pros say it's a brute force subwoofer that doesn't sacrifice control for volume. Influencers note, the excursion is insane. It looks like it'll launch out of the box, yet the build is rock solid. Customers report it's an absolute monster that hits lowest notes with authority while staying punchy. With a double-stack magnet, 2-inch voice coil, and high sensitivity, 88 dB, the TS-A3000LB produces deep bass that remains accurate at high volumes. Whether in SPL competitions, compact cars, or custom setups, it delivers consistent performance. Many stories echo its reliability. One user runs daily high-volume sessions without overheating, another notes metal double bass, drums sound precise. It's more than a subwoofer. It's the heart of your system, offering impact, clarity, and customizable sound via external amps. Curious why so many rave about it? This subwoofer gives the visceral bass thrill you crave while respecting your space constraints. Every track suddenly feels alive. Every drive becomes an event. Don't wait, limited stock available. The Pioneer TS-A3000LB 12-inch subwoofer is the ultimate choice for car audio enthusiasts craving powerful, clean, and compact bass. Join thousands who've upgraded their rides with deep, precise lows. Act now, secure yours today, and experience music the way it was meant to be felt. Whether it's daily drives, weekend shows, or SPL battles, this subwoofer transforms sound and your car into a true powerhouse.